What we've got here is the Kew Alto Nilfisk quick release system to convert your machine so it is quick release. What we've simply got here is a screw fitting that goes on the Kew Nilfisk Alto pressure washers, and you screw that onto the thread of the outlet of the machine. You simply then screw the female quick release with the adapter that goes into the high pressure hose on the Kew Nilfisk Alto. Simply screw that into your high pressure hose, leaving you with quick release fitting, so that just simply pulls back and quick release onto the machine. So frost and everything else, you have to screw it on and off all the time, just simply quick release, and that converts it for much easier fitting on and off all the time. That is stainless steel, so that won't wear over a period of time.